Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to take another request from a awesome subscriber, this person here, and they wanted to know how to draw a cat on a roof. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start with the shape of the cat. Alright, so we got one pointy ear. And now a little bit of head here, and now a little line up here and another ear. Okay. Now we're going to come on down the side and curve. And same thing over here. And we're going to come on in here, and now we pretty much have full circle and two little triangles for ears. Okay, so now from there, we got a little kitty cat shoulder, and we're coming on down. And right here, I'm going to do the other front leg. Right here, we're going to make the other line. So now this front leg is done. And the other line for that other front leg. Now we're going to give our kitty cat another little shoulder back moment here. And now I'm going to do a little curved line here for the back leg. And now curving down like this. And right over on this side, we need another little curve for the other back leg. And I'm not going to do little paws. We're going to do a curvy line here. And it's going to be the cat's great big long tail. Okay, so we got our cat, the shape of our cat all done. But now we gotta do some kitty cat features. So I'm gonna put a line here and do some bits of fur. So we got the inside of the ear. And same thing over here. Do a little line and do some inside fur bits there. Now I'm gonna give them a little upside down triangle nose. And a cute little mouth. And I'm going to give them two great big eyes. One. And two. And he needs whiskers. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. I think 3 is probably a good number. And I'm going to put some little floofy bits here. And right here. Put some right here. Right here. Right here. And a little bit here on the bottom of the legs. And put some on the bottom of the tail. So the part of the cat that I have these little not curly lines, sorry, these little like U shapes. These are going to be like different colors from the rest of his body. So maybe this part and the paws and the top of the tail, maybe those will stay white and the rest of them will be a different color. We'll see. And alright, so our cat is going to be sitting on a roof. So I'm going to do a line here. And it's okay if your lines aren't totally straight. It's completely best kind. We're just having fun here. Okay, so I got a line for my roof. And I'm going to give it another little line. Not that I know much about rooftops, but I'm just going to give it another little line. Okay, and now I'm going to get started doing some bricks. So it's going to be on a brick roof. Okay, yeah, you see this line is totally not straight, and that's okay. That's fine. All right, so there's one line, and another. Oh, and I apologize too if you can hear the rain outside my window. It's really, really rainy, really, really windy out right now. Okay, so we got our lines, and now I'm going to do lines going down that way vertically. So I got one there, and I don't know if you can see, but I kind of curve the line in that way and curve it down that way. And then this line, I curve that way and curve up that way. So you can see that it's taking the shape of bricks. See, kind of like little curves there. Okay, just little curves. All right, so this part may take a little while, me filling in these bricks, so we might speed this part up. Okay, so now we're done all drawing out all our bricks. I'm gonna do a crescent moon here in the background. So, let's see. Kind of like a banana with pointy ends. All right, and I'm gonna do a few clouds here in the back. Just all over the place here. Nice floofy, puffy clouds. And give another one right here. And one right here. All right, so I'm gonna start coloring. Alright, so we are done our picture of the cat on a roof. So if you have anything that you would like to see me draw or anything that you would like to learn how to draw, leave me a request in the comments below. And I always love hearing what you guys have to say. Also, feel free to like and subscribe if you like this video. Alright everyone, I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay everybody, bye!